Grayson, Grandma is going to be here later on today.
She's just coming to visit, right?
She will be staying with us.
Oh, Lord,
Lord have mercy. I know. But you like it because you get all the attention and everything.
Good job, here. Did you find a ball? Did you find a ball? Did you find a ball? Yes, you did.
Line is we need to get a dog for protection. Like if someone tried to break into our house, I'd want to make sure that they were immediately terrified.
What is in your mouth?
How a golden can humble you real quick.